This is Sally with her toy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Sally, come on. Sally, come on. Woo. Oh, it's a Sally. Oh, yeah, gotta get that squeaker going on there. Yeah, gotta get that squeaker. Now watch this. Let's just get a sneak up. Hey, you should go easy. You should go easy. Watch this. I've been wanting to do this since I saw Toy Story. Do not try this at home. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it didn't quite work, but yeah, I'm pretty sure she'll get the hang of it eventually. What you doing? No, you can't have that. That's mine. Give it. Give it. Give it back. Give it back. Give it. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Sally. Sally Sue. Hi. Hey. Yes, this is Sally Pooh Bear. Yes. Subscribe to Sally Boo Boo. Subscribe to Sally Boo Boo. Yes. Ready? Ready? Set. Go get it. This is called Go Get It. This is a girl who got bored one day and her dog and doggy was bored and wanted to go to bed. You should see her when we try to brush her teeth. She's such a goofball, she'll go